Hi, this is to explain to you how to find books and how we sort them. So I prepared this as I discover our main search resource discovery system, as it's called. I prepared this earlier, Des Divine Take, with an asterisk because I'm too lazy to type the longer name. And when we search that, then you get Death and Divine Judgment in Ecclesiastes, Kumiko Takeuchi, I think. And you can see here already 3 take, but it's always worthwhile clicking on it in order then to see it's available. One copy available. That's the class. That's the barcode, by the way, not the class mark. So you're looking for 3 take 1. So how to find that in the Divinity Library? If you go to our webpage and have never used our library, how to has lots of things in it. Here it's a find. It does tell you how to find books. And on there, we've got a plan for what we call the ground floor Divinity Library. So the library is on the 2nd floor of the Divinity Faculty building, but we call the first area we're kind of ground floor, and then the upper library is a mezzanine. So on the ground floor, we've got section 1. So you see the class mark is a number at the beginning, like the 3 take 1. So that's section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can see there's a split in 3, and the Old Testament 3 section 3 NUR is the last one. Good to remember for German speaker. Nur, it only goes up to 3 Nur, and then 3 O and so on is on this side. So 3 take 1 is about here. If we go to the 2nd floor, mezzanine level, you come up these stairs, and at the moment there are COVID-19 goes both ways, so please be very careful when you're going there. You got section 8 to 22, so 8, 9, 10, 11, old 11 section. I'll explain that in a minute. New 11 is Islam, 12, 13, and 14 to 22. Yes, so that's the basic layout of the library. Just quickly to say, the old section 11 used to be everything which wasn't Judeo-Christian. So like Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam, and other world religions which weren't anything to do with Christianity or Judaism. So we changed that, and the new section, Islam, has subsections, like it's not just a number, but it's 11A, B, C, and so on and so on. Then here in section 14 to 22, you've got 15 is Buddhism, 16 Hinduism, 17 other religions, so that's a major or movements or religion known like Baha'i, Rastafarianism, and so on. 18 is comparing religion, 19 is a religion anthropology, which contains a fairly big section, 19S, which is either country-specific, societies, sociology, or P, politics. So you get the idea where to find things, hopefully. If you have ever any trouble finding something, please get in touch and we'll help you. The only other thing to say is, confusingly, for example, there is some ethics in section 9, which is normally Christian doctrine and theology, but there's also ethics in 10, which is philosophy, religion, and religion. That's because when the library system, classification system, which of course is in-house, like most libraries in Cambridge, was made, people were thinking it's important that people who have a Christian background, a kind of theological background, go in 9, and philosophers who write about ethics go in 10. There's also a lot of other stuff in 10, but it's too difficult to kind of summarize it quickly. If you've got any questions, please get in touch, either divinity@lib.ac.cam.ac.uk. Otherwise, I hope we see you soon. Bye-bye.